This video is an introduction to sequences in CatDV. CatDV is able to create simple cut list sequences in its desktop and web clients. Sequences can be created from master clips and subclips and become new assets in their own right. Once a sequence has been created, it can be shared with the major NLEs, Apple's Final Cut 7 and X, Adobe Premiere and Avid Media Composer. We'll start here by creating some subclips in CatDV. I'll select a few of these subclips and choose Create Sequence from the Tools menu. We're asked what to call the new sequence, plus whether we want to use the whole clip or the in and out points on the clips. The metadata panel is then replaced with the sequence viewer. There's a simple timeline with a few icons. We can control zoom on the timeline, change the look of the timeline, and add additional tracks. In the timeline itself, clips can be reordered by clicking and dragging. New items can be added by dragging from the view, and multiple items can be selected using Command and click. The cross icon closes the sequence viewer and the sequence is then visible as another CatDV asset in the view. It can have its own metadata added to make it easy to find in the future. There are several mechanisms to share this sequence with an editing package. In the File, Export As menu, there are options to send the sequence to Premiere and Final Cut X. For Media Composer, an AAF file can be dragged into an Avid bin from the toolbar, and for Final Cut 7, a sequence can be dragged into a Final Cut Pro project in the tree. So we've briefly seen how simple sequences and cut lists can be created in CatDV. There's more information available on the CatDV website, www.squarebox.com. Please take a look.